If saving money was easy, everyone would be rich. You work hard, you earn a decent paycheck, and yet your bank balance never seems to grow. You try to budget, you cut corners, you even say no to coffee sometimes. But by the end of the month, boom, it's gone again. And the worst part, you feel guilty, even though you are trying your best. Why does this keep happening? Today, we are digging deep because the real reason you can't save money has nothing to do with laziness or lack of discipline. It has everything to do with how money flows in and out of your life and the system you were never taught to control. Let's fix that together. The trap. Let me tell you a story. Meet Jason, age 29, works full time, earns around $60,000 a year. Not rich but not poor either, just average. Every month, Jason promises himself he will save $500. New month, new me, he says. Week 1, rent, groceries and bills. Week 2, a friend's birthday dinner. Week 3, car repair, unexpected. Week 4, he is dipping into his credit card. By the end of the month, Jason has saved exactly zero. And he feels like a failure. But Jason is not the problem. The system is. Here is what's happening. Number 1, the income illusion. You see a $5,000 paycheck, you think you have $5,000. But taxes, bills, subscriptions and past purchases already own half that money. Number 2, the I deserved it loop. After a hard week, you treat yourself. But comfort spending becomes a habit, not a reward. Number 3, the emergency leak. Most people don't have a real emergency fund. So every time life hits, savings take the blow. Jason's story is everyone's story because the system we grow up in teaches us how to spend, not how to plan. Mindset over money. Saving isn't just about numbers. It's about beliefs, habits, triggers. Let's talk about you. When you get paid, what's your first thought? Time to pay bills, time to shop, or time to save? If saving isn't the first thing you do, it will never happen. Because savings is not what's left over, it's what comes first. Here is a brutal truth. Most people think they will save when they earn more. But your spending habits rise with your income. More money often means more lifestyle, not more savings. And here is another one. You can't budget your way out of a mindset problem. You need a plan that works with your psychology, not against it. Why traditional advice fails? Just skip Starbucks. Cook at home. Use a spreadsheet. Sound familiar? These tips help, sure, but they don't fix the real issue. Because your problem isn't the $5 coffee, it's the $500 you forgot you owe on that annual insurance premium. It's the $200 birthday gift you didn't budget for. It's the invisible spending that crashes your progress. And most importantly, traditional advice treats saving like punishment. As if saving is something you endure, not something you enjoy. But saving should feel freeing, empowering, rewarding. It's your money saying, hey future you, I got you. So let's talk about solutions that work. The fix. Here is what Jason did to finally break the cycle. And here is what you can do too. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before Netflix, before anything, set up auto transfer on payday. Move a set amount into savings. Even if it's $50. It tells your brain saving is not optional, it's who I am now. Step 2. Create a no guilt fund. Call it fun money, set a limit. Spend it without guilt. This stops the binge and regret cycle. Step 3. Budget backwards. Instead of tracking every dollar, start with fixed categories. Needs, wants, savings. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a base. Adjust to fit your lifestyle. Step 4. Build a shock absorber fund, aka your emergency buffer. Start with $500 to $1,000. This protects your actual savings from sudden disasters. Step 5. Track one habit at a time. You don't need 17 spreadsheets, just track one thing for 30 days. Dining out, online shopping or impulse buys. Awareness is equal to control. Wrap up. Let's come back to Jason. 3 months in, his savings hit $1,200. Not life-changing money, but for the first time, he wasn't panicking about rent. He wasn't embarrassed to check his bank app. And that changed everything. Because saving money isn't about becoming rich. It's about feeling safe, feeling in control. It's about knowing that your money listens to you, not the other way around. So if you're always broke, even with a good job, you're not broken. You are just never shown the real path. But now you know it, and now you are ready to walk it.